Hello everyone, I am Professor Jyoti of Faculty of Finance at JK Business School and also in SDC FIC. So first of all, I would like to warmly welcome my new JKBians who have joined into the three courses that we provide, the PGDM, BBA and BCA. So a warm welcome to all of you. So being a Faculty of Finance, I would like to give some exposure to you wherein you and tell you that how the students gain after landing into JK Business School. So when I talk about finance, we cover up all the subject areas. It is be it financial modeling, I'm in financial management, security analysis, portfolio management, or simulation. We provide all kind of exposure to the student in finance, and mainly the practical exposure is given to the students because we all know that now today is the era of skill development. So skill is something that is very important for all of you. And the faculty fraternity is so large here and so specialized, having the academic as well as industrial experience. They have good hands-on experience on the Excel, the simulation part, and multiple other things, right? Along, like I introduced to you all, that I am in SDC FIC. So SDC stands for Student Development Cell. So Student Development Cell is there established for the holistic development of the student. There are around 12 clubs under it. It is like marketing, HR, finance, analytics, Pathfinder Club, Eccentric Club, which is a cultural club, entrepreneurship club, and so on and so forth. So all such clubs are there for the overall development of the student. Because as you know that academically you might excel, but at the same time for the development of the personality, there are certain activities you need to participate in. You need to participate in the case study competition. You need to be part of hackathon. You need to participate in inter-college and inter-university competition because it not only develops communication skill, it develops your personality, your confidence. And when you land into a management college, you land into a B school like JKBS, of course, your personality should overall develop because JK has not only part in industry, but it is also have a base in academics. So we focus upon the overall development of the student. So like you all would have heard that a journey of milestones start with a single step. So you all are wise enough to take this step and take an admission at JK Business School. And we, the faculties, are always there to support you, to make you excel in your career, develop your confidence, develop your communication skill. We lack nowhere. We leave our student not behind at all to face the competition that the world is. As I told you that there is a student development cell which is there for the holistic development of the student. So let me give you a brief idea about that, how the students develop through it. So the first thing is that, as I said, it is a student development cell. It is being run by the student and for the student. So SDC has its own hierarchy where the dean is there at the top, then comes the SDC FIC, and then comes the SDC executive members, who are the 7 members who are nominated through a rigorous interview process. And then there are cultural heads who are looking after all of the event taking place in the society, in the college. So here also we have the DMRC Club. DMRC Club is basically functioning for the digital media, and DMRC members are our own students. So this way, when we give the exposure to the student to perform, they are recording the video, they are editing the reels, they are posting it on the social media. So n number of things are being done by the student. This way, what they are doing is experiential learning they are gaining. And this is how management, being a management college, we are developing our students. We are working on them. And yes, as I told you all, that the faculties here are not only from academics, but they also have an industry experience, so that they make sure that students have a hands-on on Smart PLS, Power BI, Tableau kind of a software. Because today, even if you have studied, even if you have hold a very good knowledge about the subject and you're not able to present your data in front of the board meetings, in front of the board members, in front of your boss, you are lacking somewhere behind. Therefore, we give the hands-on experience to our students on Smart PLS, Power BI, and Tableau kind of a software. And also on the Excel and the advanced Excel, so that because the Excel is based for any of the student in industry. And that is why we focus upon the experiential learning also on the Excel part, through the case studies and other tasks that is given to the student. Thank you so much.